Yo, it's like 12:07 p.m. Today sucked ass. I just fucking procrastinated all day, and then the day kind of like snowballed out of control after one bad thing. So now here we are. Well, put it like 50 days in a row now, but the people I look up to, they're like very honest about fuck ups publicly. I think there is a bad side to that too, where it's like, dude, some private shit should just be private. But I think this is fine to share. Yeah, today was just kind of like dog shit day. That's pretty much it. We go again tomorrow. Let's fucking go. But it happens. It's like the worst thing in like 2 months. But yeah, I got nothing else to say. So it just sucked. Okay. Bye.